Are you ready to start your baby on solid food, but not sure where to start? Look no further. This video is your ultimate guide to baby-led weaning. We'll cover everything from what is BLW and how to get started, what foods to offer, how to ensure your baby is getting all the nutrients they need, and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of baby-led weaning. What is baby-led weaning? Baby-led weaning is an approach to introducing solid foods to your baby that has become very popular in recent years. It is a method of feeding your baby where you offer them soft, easy-to-grasp foods that they can self-feed from the beginning. With this approach, your baby is in control of how much and how quickly they eat. This allows them to develop healthy eating habits and a positive relationship with food. Getting started with BLW. Most experts agree that around 6 months of age is the ideal time to start BLW. However, it's important to remember that every baby is different and may show signs of readiness at different times. Some babies may be ready a little earlier or later than 6 months. It's important to look for signs that your baby is ready to start solids, such as being able to sit up unsupported and showing interest in food. Foods to offer. When starting BLW, it's important to offer a variety of soft and easily manageable foods. Steamed vegetables, cooked fruits, and soft-cooked meat are all great options. It's also important to offer a range of textures and flavors to encourage your baby to explore and accept different foods. Safety and nutrient considerations. One of the most common concerns with BLW is choking. However, with proper preparation and supervision, the risk of choking can be significantly reduced. Always cut food into small, manageable pieces, and make sure your baby is seated in a high chair with a secure harness. Despite the small size of the pieces, please ensure they are still soft enough for your baby to gum and swallow easily. Babies are not able to chew their food at this age. If you are concerned about your baby's nutrient intake, speak to your pediatrician. Troubleshooting, and FAQs. We've included a list of frequently asked questions and tips for dealing with common challenges such as picky eating and messy meals. By following these guidelines, you can help your baby develop a lifelong love of food and make mealtime a fun and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby.